This is a quick video showing how to put together this fractions foldable. So the first thing you need to do, you should have two pages. One should say fractions in giant letters on one side, and the other piece of paper should have the words multiplying at the bottom on one side and adding and subtracting on the bottom on the other side. So take the page that has fractions real big on it, flip it over, and at the bottom we want to see the word dividing. Right, so line that up on the bottom and leave that on your desk. Then take the other piece of paper and rotate it and flip it until you find where it says multiplying. We're going to line that up on top of our dividing paper, and we're going to get as close to the word dividing as we can without starting to cover it up. So you have that margin at the bottom, but just go really close to a point where the edge of the top paper, the paper that says multiplying, is just touching the dots to the eyes in the word dividing. Okay. Once you have your edges lined up nice and neat, and this paper is on top of that one, we're going to kind of put our hand on the paper, and we're going to grab both sheets. I'm kind of go up here, right? You're going to grab both sheets together and fold them down. All right, so I'm going to move the camera back this way again. All right, so hold these down, and then take both sheets together, and then you want the words adding and subtracting again to just touch the top of the word multiplying, also being sure that the edges are kind of lined up. Right? And then once you have those lined up like that, then you kind of hold it and fold. Just make sure that's well creased. Okay. So now we're going to make sure all the pages are connected. So make sure that everything's kind of pushed up together. And now you're going to take a stapler, and you want the staples to go super close to this edge, enough that they go through all the pages, but you don't want it to be too low, because the lower you make it, the less you'll be able to see in the inside when you flip up. So you want it to be attached way up here so the page flips all the way up. You probably just need two staples. So go really close to the top edge, as close as you can get. Oh, that was a really kind of one staple. There we go. And another. Maybe too close there. Okay, that's good. I'll take this one out. Okay, is that one through? That one's not so great. Let's try that again. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, so see how the staples are really close to the top edge? Alright, and that's going to allow us to open this up like a booklet. And so on the inside of this page, we'll be adding and subtracting fractions. On the inside of this page, we'll be multiplying fractions. And the inside of the last page will be dividing fractions. The only other thing you need to do is take the extra tiny little piece of paper that I gave you, and I'm going to show you how to attach that now. So on this foldable, there's a space for directions on how to multiply fractions and a space for how to divide fractions, but if you open up to adding and subtracting, there's no space to write how we do that. So we have this extra little piece that we're going to attach, and I just have it in a different color so that you can see it better on the video, but we're going to attach it over here on the right, and only on the right, so that we're able to flip it and still see that problem underneath. Right, so just take your stapler, or you can use a piece of tape or something just around the edge, and attach that to the edge, and now we have directions for how to add and subtract fractions. And either in another video or in class, we will fill in how to multiply fractions and how to divide. So you have this together. Now just put it in your interactive notebook like this, on the page that we tell you in class. Right, so this is my book from last year, but you're just going to glue it down on the back. So just put some glue on the back. You'll see the author's name back there. Just put a bunch of glue on the back of this page. A glue stick would be the best thing to do. And obviously it won't fit in your notebook this way. Right? So you have to put it sideways. So you'll probably need to go pretty close to the center of your book and glue that down and attach it to your page. And that's it.